In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Basecamp. Whether you're setting up a project for work, a community initiative, or a personal undertaking, Basecamp offers a user-friendly platform to help you get organized and collaborate effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Basecamp home screen. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on this familiar page, organized to give you easy access to all your ongoing projects and teams. Consider this your main dashboard, a kind of launching pad for everything you'll do within Basecamp. Now, direct your attention to the area just below your company logo or name. There, you'll see the New Project button. This is your gateway to creating a brand new project. Go ahead and click on it. This single click opens up a world of possibilities for organizing your tasks, managing communications, and more. With your new project screen in front of you, here's where you input your project details. Begin by naming your project. Choose something meaningful that communicates the purpose or focus of the project clearly. You can also add a brief description at this point if you like. This is helpful for providing context or additional information that might be useful for anyone joining the project later on. Next, you'll decide on the privacy settings for your project. You've got two choices here: Invite Only, where you must individually invite people to join, or All Access, where anyone with the project link can be a part of it. Consider who you'll want to participate and how much control you want over who accesses this project before making your selection. Moving along, it's time to set up the tools and schedule. Basecamp offers a selection of tools that cater to different aspects of project management. Decide which ones will be most beneficial for this particular project. Options include the message board for announcements and discussions, to-dos for task lists, Schedule for setting important dates and deadlines, Docs and files for storing documents, Chat for real-time communication, and more. You can customize these to fit the needs of your project. And don't forget about setting up a schedule or deadline if there's a time element involved in your project. It helps keep everyone on track and aware of target completion dates. Once you're satisfied with your selections and your setup feels ready to roll, it's time to bring your project to life. Click the Create This Project button. Congratulations, you've now entered your new project workspace. It's all set up and waiting for you and your team to start collaborating. From here, you can invite participants, start assigning tasks, upload documents, and basically get the ball rolling on effectively managing your project. Enjoy the process and watch as your project takes shape with the tools and collaborative efforts Basecamp makes possible.